Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Just want to give you a quick shop tour of what we're doing in our boat shed. So this is a Bertram 25 footer and we're almost at the stage of ready to get some undercoat on this. We've sandblasted the hull and it's coming up quite nicely. We've done some modifications on the inside which you might just want to have a quick look at. If you can see, the customer is converting this one to electric. So he's going electric motors, batteries, solar panels on the roof. We got rid of the fly bridge for him, did some modifications on the floor so he's got a bit more space in there. And we're just getting it close to ready for paint so we can get some undercoat on this thing and do the final coat. Here we have Savage, and we've done we've customised the windscreen for him. Before, the windscreen was back here, and he said he just wanted more space inside the boat. And so we've taken about 400 to 500 mil out of this part of the boat, just here. And we've blended it back together and joined it together, put a piece of timber in there, made it nice and strong. We've taken out windows, so he had some windows in there he wanted to just delete. We're almost ready we're gonna repaint just the top half of this boat. Next job. This is a yacht roof they were building for someone. We've been creating these gutters just recently, and we just have to blend them together, flip it over, do some glassing on the outside, grind it back, give it a paint. That one will be done. We'll be out of here. And here's a truck nose cone we're working on at the moment. It had a lot of spider cracks through here. It was just covered in spider cracks, so we ended up just grinding it back, putting one sheet of glass over it, and then we're finishing off with some filler, and then we're going to be painting that one this week too. All right, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.